Hey guys, welcome back to Sherwayne Music Production channel, the channel to be a part of. If you are new here, please consider what? Subscribing. Also hit the notification bell so you will be the first person to be notified each time I upload a brand new video. Also guys, remember to hit the like button. It helps out a lot with the YouTube channel. And if you're feeling generous today and want to donate to the channel, the Cash App is down there, the PayPal link is down there, so you can donate to the channel. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, likewise the link for that is in the description. With that being said, let's get into today's video. So guys, in today's video we're gonna go over entire production of a song titled St. Thomas by El Paso. It was released a few weeks ago. St. Thomas, I'm gonna play the audio so you guys can hear the finished product, and then we're gonna go over it. So in today's video we're gonna go over the beat, and then we're gonna go over the recording and the mixing of that particular song. So I'm gonna play the beat, make you guys hear it. This is it.
Sherwayne Music.
No, I'm gonna play the song. This is the song.
This a one go, hit the target. Spiritual psycho, retarded. Signs and wonder, where the Lord did. Where the Lord did. Them don't know what thing over a 19 at the formula. Tongue span rapid and a single laugh. For the spiritual suit, hit me a jaw. Them don't know what thing over. Them just a sing war. Tongue span rapid and a single laugh. For the spiritual suit, hit me a jaw. You want know the real powers. Stay up on your knee for hours. Pass and pray to the Lord, and you see how your thing take off. Same place from me St. Thomas, and your goods go up a St. Thomas. Far free you never spend the cash. You coulda come from Irish spend the cash. Them don't know what thing over a 19 at the formula.
So that are the song. See, so we're gonna go over the entire production of the song. So I'm gonna come up with a song here. Date my thing them. So this are the 31st of the 10th month last year, 2022. New rhythm I did call it. See, these are the rhythm. So basically, this is what I come up with for the rhythm. So I'm gonna play the rhythm, make you guys hear the instrumental.
Sherwayne Music.
So this is the rhythm. Building a FL Studio. Guys, remember, if you need the template, this is a mixing template for rhythm. You see me I say, if you need the template, just link up, you know what I mean, the number, my WhatsApp number did they reach out, you know what I mean, you can join the group and just link me, and you know what I mean, you'll get the template sent to your email. Just reach out and make we do the right thing. See? Alright, so these are the beat. So I'm gonna highlight the course of the rhythm. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go into some game as it relates to it. Again, I'm gonna do a video on how to arrange a rhythm, because I recognize some people have problems with arranging a rhythm. So look out for that video there. See, so I'm start off with is the melody. See what I say? So the melody and the rhythm. I'm gonna play it, the pattern. Basically that are the pattern. Start off with the pattern, then me add the spiccato from not Nexus expand 2. So this is the spiccato. After me add the spiccato, I add a next sound from the spiccato again, from the expand 2 again, which is this sound. After I add the sound there, my the next sound from arcade. This is it. So that's the sound me use from arcade. After that sound, me add the next sound from arcade. This is it. Two arcade is from distant voice. It might not sound like this because I know my template already. See the arcade done set up already and have all of the plugins them on it, if it on it. You see me I say we have the I don't know why now come up, but yeah, we have all of this the parameters them set up, the RVox on it, see me I do the compressing, so bear that in mind. Say the sound them I go through processing. So if you want the same processing what me use for all I'm reading them, you know what I mean, just get the template. After that I start adding the drums, which is basic dancehall drums. So I will just use that to support the the 808 from Old Perry. This is it. And then we add in the me use a percussion for the snare, which is a fake snare. This is it. As you can see, me have some of the snare them I play like a counter snare. I turn down the velocity, which is the volume of the snare. So in a sound, you know what I mean, overbearing. Then we had in the hi-hats from the Carti hi-hats. Basically that's what me do the hi-hats. What else you add to it? I did that gull, which is a percussion. So it's there in the rhythm, and I whoop my hat as well. Basically that, and we have the snare also play the role as well. So basically that's what I did for this rhythm. You know what I mean? And then my patternize out it how more want it. When I want silence, when I just want a particular sound only. You see me? So that's basically the rhythm in a nutshell. You see me? And the rest is history. Cause as I tell you guys, I always create all of my rhythm them in my template, the Sherwayne Music Production template. Those who benefit from it can attest how much it has helped them. So guys, if you know, grab a template, as it grab a template, reach out, email me or WhatsApp me for the details as it relates to how to get the template seen. So I'm gonna play the rhythm one more time so you can hear the rhythm.
Sherwayne Music.
So basically, like that, guys, you know what I mean. If you learn something, feel free to leave a comment, you know what I mean, and stay tuned. We're gonna go over the um the mixing of the song, you know what I mean, how me record the song and how me mix the song. You see, it depend on all digital platform, El Paso 876 St. Thomas. So go and subscribe, go and like the song, you know what I mean. I make them know say how the tutorial send ya so. You know what I mean, I'm an artist. Help him get to 1,000 subscriber. I'm saying I go on, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go check it out on YouTube and all digital platform. And guys, remember to grab your recording template, your rhythm template, you know what I mean, for help you with the music production. And if you need classes as well as it relates to making rhythm, mixing song, you can also book your class session, you know what I mean. We have that going right now, you know, one-on-one, you know, session so far. So and if you have any video suggestion, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. You know what I mean? Again, like, comment, share, subscribe, and also if you've been blessed by the video, you know what I mean, feel free to donate to the PayPal account. See you guys in the next one. Cool? Boom.